Hello everyone. Ha 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 ha. It's me, Lord Alexander Santos-Santandrel, and this time is about of a discussion of an fantastic film who I like it very much. Meteor, or this movie has an alternate title, Meteor, The Path of Destruction. Well, shall we begin? Now this film is about of the Cassandra asteroid, just after being struck by a small asteroid when the big asteroid is going to hit the Earth planet. Will be deadly. But there is a scientist, Imogen, a brilliant woman, an astronaut. She's the hope of the mankind. Here, she calculates the degrees of the asteroid threat before the deadly impact will be a failure. And now, here, so right, started the adventures of many peoples who they trying to save many wounded. The luck and of course the Earth planet. There will be fights, many dangerous situations, moments. By the time everyone will be saved. On this film, there is also secondary characters who they understand anything at all of all. The big trouble, but it's not important. Anyway, on the film, our emotion heroine, she will fight many dangerous foes who they stand in her way. Luckily, chance. On her journey, she will be helped by a policeman, Jack, who has many troubles with her ex-partner, Calvin Stark. And this guy is the antagonist of the movie. The goal of the detective Jack stopped him for good, just before the end of the world. The father of the co-protagonist, Jack, is also an policeman with a sheriff rank. To help his son, her adorable granddaughter, and of course her heroine, to stop and defeat Calvin Stark, the evil guy of the film. But Stark is not the first antagonist of an disaster space threat movie. Filmmaker was the first evil guy from the awesome and fantastic 2007 Sunshine movie. Once again, another disaster space movie, but this time it's 2012 Supernova. On this film, the main antagonist was the first time a girl, Dr. Kwang. Yeah, just after Bill Baker from the 2007 Sunshine movie, and Calvin, the main antagonist of this mini TV series film, who I still like it. In another part of the movie, the three teams would they never meeting together, like Deep Impact did it in the past, in 1908. Also, this movie has three heroes teams. Now, the whole explanation. When I was a kid, I also saw another disaster space film. The first was Armageddon, the first best. Many years later, when I was 21 years old, I saw Deep Impact, but this movie is more close to the reality. But I found this movie very impressive for an 2008-2009 era, just like was on the past Armageddon and Deep Impact. From my heart, this movie, it has entered in my deep heart. But it's not the only one who I like very much. There is the 2012 movie of the 2009 year. He was a big success in the whole world. But seriously, I found Meteor, The Path of Destruction, very realistic about the detailed scenes. They also very impressive, especially the bureau facilities complex military. And at the end of the movie, when all of our heroes they celebrate the victory of the bureau facilities military. But it was a great victory of the scientist astronaut Emotion. Without her, nobody will be here today. But Emotion, she's very sad after all the big efforts she did. and sadness after losing her ex-mate, Dr. Lehman. Yeah, but everyone is happy to having saved the world, with a delicious dinner on the farmhouse, with happiness and love in. Indeed, thanks by Lord Alexanderson for 200.